Hey guys, this is my 1975 C3 Corvette. My main quest right now is to acquire an antique license plate. As I was going through all the light functions, there's one I couldn't figure out, the high beams. So I decided to make this video. It's a general walkthrough of all the exterior light functions for the 1975 Corvette or older. First, the headlights. This one's pretty obvious. It literally says lights above the pull switch. The second one was a 2-day scavenger hunt. It is hiding right behind the carpet and the area I thought was a footrest the entire time, the elusive high beam switch. For the turn signals, I had to insert the key and turn it to the on position. And while I'm cycling through the rest of the light functions, I just left the key in place until the end of the video. Here's the left signal. And now the right. If you push this little knob in, you get the hazard lights. To turn it off, simply pull it back out. Next is the brake lights. And last is the reverse lights. I'm pressing the brakes and placing the gear selector in reverse. You can visually see the P on my digital gauge go to R, indicating that I went from park to reverse. There you have it, all the light switches for the C3 Corvette. Would you like to learn how to replace the brake calipers for these Corvettes? Here's my version of the job, including every obstacle I encountered. With all that said, if you found this video helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing.